Finding unknown quantities in a ratio using fractions. So in example 4 and 5, you have to find x. Pause the video and have a go. Example 4. If the ratio 4 to 5 is equal to the ratio x to 15, then 4 divided by 5 should be equivalent to x divided by 15. So we can write 4 divided by 5 equals x divided by 15. If a fraction equals a fraction, what you can do is multiply both sides by 5 and by 15. Or what you might have been told in your class is that's the same as cross multiplying. So when a fraction equals a fraction, you can cross multiply. And we can only ever cross multiply when a fraction equals another fraction. So if we cross multiply here, we're getting 15 times 4. And that would equal 5 times x. So we end up with 60 equals 5x. And when you divide 3 by 5, divide 3 by the number of x's, you get x is 12. That was actually a more simplistic example where you wouldn't maybe have to go through with cross multiplication. You could see here we've got 4 to 15, and we've got we've got 4 to 5, and then we've got x to 15. You'll spot there that the second part of each ratio, you'll spot that it was times by 3. So if it's an equivalent ratio, the left-hand side would also have been multiplied by 3, in which case 4 times 3 is 12, so x must be 12. So that method is good, provided that these numbers are one's divisible by the other. But if it doesn't work out like that, this method will work all the time, writing one number as a fraction of the other number, and then cross-multiplying. And we'll use that method in example 5. You can see here it's not so easy. You can't use a simple method because 3 doesn't fit into 5. 3 times 2 or 3 times 1, you won't get 5, so you're best going with the cross-multiplication method. So we can write that 3 divided by x would be the same as 5 divided by 7. They should be in the same, they're in the same ratio, so they should be in the same proportion. And we can cross-multiply. And we can get 3 times 7 on the left, and 5 times x, or x times 5, on the right. And that gives us 21 equals 5x. So x is 21 divided by 5. Because that's an improper fraction, you should change it to a mixed number. 5 goes into 21 4 times, and then 1/5 left over.